Hello, welcome everyone. Already you have learned properties of quadrilaterals. What are quadrilaterals? What is the angle sum property? That is, what is the sum of four angles of a quadrilateral? What is the sum of exterior angles of a quadrilateral? And how to find sum of angles of a polygon? Sum of exterior angles of a polygon already you have learned. And basing on that few sums also you have learned. And today you are going to learn about special types of quadrilaterals. What are the special types of quadrilaterals? They are rectangle, square, rhombus, parallelogram, trapezium, kite. About these special types of quadrilaterals, what are these and what are the properties you are going to learn today. If not a few special types in this class you are going to learn. First one, let us have trapezium. What is a trapezium and what are its properties? Let me explain you. Very simple. A quadrilateral in which one pair of opposite sides is parallel, quadrilateral in which only one pair of opposite sides, one pair of opposite sides is parallel is called a trapezium. Let me draw that and show you. ABCD is a trapezium because here AD is parallel to BC. ABCD is a trapezium. Here AD is parallel to BC. Then AB and DC, they are the non-parallel sides. If the non-parallel sides of a trapezium are equal, that is said to be an isosceles trapezium. Then what is an isosceles trapezium? Isosceles means a trapezium in which the non-parallel sides are equal is called an isosceles trapezium. Let me draw that and show you. PQRS. In this quadrilateral PQRS, PS is parallel to QR and PQ is equal to SR. So this PQRS is an isosceles trapezium. So what are the properties of an isosceles trapezium also I will explain you. PQRS is an isosceles trapezium. Why it is an isosceles trapezium? Because here PS is parallel to QR and PQ is equal to SR. So in an isosceles trapezium, the base angles are equal. Angle Q is equal to angle R and angle P is equal to angle S. Here the properties are base angles are equal. We are speaking about isosceles trapezium. that is angle Q is equal to angle R and angle P is equal to angle S. And the second property is the diagonals are equal. PR is equal to QS. In an isosceles trapezium, both the diagonals are equal. So in this scenario, the diagonals are PR and QS are the diagonals, they are equal. Okay? This is all about trapezium. Now let us have kite. What is a kite? What are the special types of, what are the properties of a kite? I will explain you. A quadrilateral in which we know that in a quadrilateral there are four sides, two pairs of adjacent sides, two pairs of adjacent sides are equal. Adjacent sides are equal is called a kite. Only two pairs of adjacent sides are equal. We can see here, if it is AB CD, AB is equal to AD, BC is equal to CD, then it is a kite. And also, in a kite, one diagonal bisects the other at right angles. If diagonals AC and BD intersecting at O, AC bisects BD and AC is perpendicular to BD. Here, one diagonal, the larger diagonal, longer diagonal, one diagonal bisects the other at right angles. At right angles. That means OB is equal to OD and AC is perpendicular to BD. I hope this is clear to you. If both the pairs of opposite adjacent sides are equal, it is a kite and AC bisects BD. So OB is equal to OD and they are AC bisects BD at right angles. So AC is perpendicular to BD. Okay. Now let us have the third kind of special type of quadrilateral, that is parallelogram. What is a parallelogram and what are its properties? Let us learn. The name itself shows or says what is a parallelogram. A quadrilateral in which both the pairs of opposite sides are parallel is called a parallelogram. Is called a parallelogram. Let me draw the figure and show you. Let me name it as EFGH is a parallelogram because EH is parallel to FG and EH is parallel to FG and EF is parallel to GH. Okay? EFGH is a parallelogram. Is a parallelogram because here EH is parallel to FG and EF is parallel to GH. Now, what are its properties? Let us have. What are the properties of a parallelogram? Okay. In a parallelogram, opposite sides already parallel given, they are not only parallel, they are equal also. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. So these are parallel given. These are equal also. And opposite angles are equal. Not only sides are equal, opposite sides. Opposite angles. Angle F is equal to angle H. Angle E is equal to angle Z. And the two diagonals bisect each other. Two diagonals bisect each other. I am showing you in the figure. EH and EZ, if they intersect at O, OF is equal to OH, OE is equal to OZ. They bisect, that means both the diagonals are bisecting each other. And last property is the adjacent angles are supplementary. Supplementary means their sum is 180 degree. That is, angle E plus angle F is 180 degree. Angle F plus angle Z is 180 degree. Angle Z plus angle H is 180 degree. Same way, angle H plus angle E is 180 degree. Okay? I hope this is clear to you. The properties of these types of special types of quadrilaterals are very, very important. Today we have learned about three special types of quadrilaterals, and the next class you are going to learn about the properties of rectangle, square, rhombus and so on. Okay? Thank you.